Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today we're diving into PancakeSwap, located at PancakeSwap.finance. This decentralized exchange, or DEX, operates on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, and offers a delicious alternative to traditional centralized exchanges. PancakeSwap utilizes an automated market maker, AMM, model, meaning you're trading against a liquidity pool rather than directly with other users. This fosters a permissionless environment where anyone can swap tokens, provide liquidity, and even farm Cake, the platform's native token. Navigating to PancakeSwap.finance will land you on the main trading interface where you can connect your compatible wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Once connected, a wide array of BEP20 tokens becomes available for trading. The user-friendly interface makes swapping a breeze, even for newcomers to the DeFi space. Simply select the tokens you want to exchange, input the desired amount, and confirm the transaction. Beyond swapping, PancakeSwap offers several other compelling features. Yield farming allows you to earn Cake by providing liquidity to trading pairs. By staking your LP tokens, you earn rewards proportional to your contribution to the liquidity pool. This incentivizes users to participate in the ecosystem and further strengthens its stability. Another popular feature is the syrup pools, where you can stake Cake to earn other BEP20 tokens. This opens up opportunities to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to a variety of projects within the BSC ecosystem. Furthermore, PancakeSwap hosts initial farm offerings, IFOs, providing access to early-stage projects and potentially lucrative investment opportunities. The lottery system on PancakeSwap adds a fun and engaging element. For a small fee, you can purchase lottery tickets and potentially win a substantial prize. While the odds are naturally slim, it provides an additional avenue for engagement within the platform. Finally, the prediction market allows you to wager on the price of BNB, offering another way to test your market insights and potentially earn rewards. PancakeSwap has become a cornerstone of the Binance Smart Chain DeFi ecosystem. Its accessibility, combined with a diverse range of features, caters to both seasoned traders and those just beginning their DeFi journey. So, head over to PancakeSwap.finance and explore the world of decentralized finance on the Binance Smart Chain.